everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I have got a couple of boxycharms to unbox for you guys. That is right, you guys. If you may have noticed, I used to do boxycharm unboxings every single month, but I have not done one in quite a while. There is a reason for that, but I'll get into that here in just a few minutes. But if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome, amazing family. And I have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description if you want to check me out and give me a follow over on Instagram. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much in advance. But do make sure to subscribe and click the like button because it actually really does help the channel out a lot. Okay, so about these boxycharm boxes. I used to do boxycharm every single month. I had the regular one, I had the premium, and I had the Boxy Luxe. And there were a few, bottom line, I didn't think that they were really worth it anymore. I thought the stuff that you got in it was I thought there were too many variations. And like there's one or two variations that were actually good. And then you had your other variations that were just kind of like random stuff thrown in the box. So that's what I really didn't like about boxycharm, but I've decided it's a new year. Happy New Year, by the way. It is officially 2021 as I'm filming this. It is the 4th of January. I was just like, you know what, it's a new year. Let's see what's going on. Let's see if they've improved or let's see what's happening. So I have the regular base box here to unbox for you, and we are going to compare it against the boxycharm premium box. So let's jump in because I do want to go ahead and unbox this. I have literally no idea what's in here. All I've done is cut the tape at the bottom here, and I don't actually know what month this is for. I don't know if this is for December or January. I have no idea. I haven't really seen many boxycharm posts recently, so I genuinely have no idea what's in these boxes. So alright, so we're gonna go on with the boxycharm base box first. This is, I believe, $25 a month.
Oh!
Okay, so I'm seeing some stuff here that I'm actually really excited about. Okay, I did not, okay. So the first thing that I see in here, you guys, is this. This is the Artist Couture palette. It's the Caliente palette. I have never used a palette from Artist Couture before. I love Artist Couture. I have this Diamond Lights finisher right here. This is in Nebula. I have this one right here that is in the shade Illuminati. I love these Diamond Lights finishers, but I've never used a palette from them before. Oh, this is actually really fun. I'm super excited about this. I have gone back and forth with getting like the nudes palette. I really want to try that one, but now that I have this one, maybe I can just do like a really fun kind of like fiery, warm toned eye. I don't know, I'm super into that. That's fun. I'm excited about this. Next up, we have something from Tarte. This is the, a Man-Eater mascara. Here is what it looks like. And I don't have a little card. Oh yeah, I do. Here's a little card. Okay, here is the theme, Bubbles and Glitz. I have no idea if this is December's theme, if it's January's theme, I don't know. But I do have a mascara here. I don't think I've ever used this one. I've used the Lights Camera Lashes mascara from Tarte. That one is from Tarte, right? Oh, this is cute. It's got a little like cheetah print packaging, and I love trying new mascaras. It's some of my favorite things to try. Oh my gosh. I was not expecting that kind of brush. I was 100% expecting like a big old fat brush like the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, but this is, I like these kind of brushes. They tend to work pretty well for me, so I'm excited to try this mascara. Oh wow, okay, I'm not mad about this. Next up, oh my god, I don't know why I got like so weirded out. Not like weirded out, but I don't know why I never thought that I would ever get like a MAC lipstick inside of a boxycharm. But this is a matte MAC lipstick in the shade Russian Red. Oh, okay, this is actually really, I'm super excited about this, you guys. And then here is what the color looks like. That looks really pretty. So I'm super excited about this. This is actually a really strong box so far. I just hope that, okay, so basically I had to resubscribe to everything, so I hope that they're not just giving me good items because I like came back. I don't know how it is. The next thing in here, we have this from Eloise. Is that how you say that? This is, I've never heard of this brand right here, but it's, oh, metallic foiled liquid eyeshadow, and it's in the shade Get Lit. It looks very pretty, like the packaging, it's got like gold foiling on it. Oh, this looks like nail polish. Oh my goodness, this is really pretty. Wow, this is really pretty. I know I'm like moving a lot. Oh, I like that it comes in like an applicator like this and that it's not like a brush. Y'all, I love this. This is so pretty. This kind of like reminds me of like the Stila liquid eyeshadows that were like so good a few years ago. Look at that. Oh man, it's like molten copper. I love this. I cannot wait to use this. It says pure gold right here, but then on this it says, oh no, the shade is pure gold. The title, like the name of it is Get Lit Metallic Foiled Liquid Eyeshadow. I got you. So the shade is called pure gold. This is beautiful. I am so excited. And the bottle is stunning. I genuinely thought it was nail polish. That honestly may be one of my favorite things. Last in the box, we've got this from Ofra. This is the Banana Powder Brightening and Setting Powder. So I probably could, really? I could use a new powder. I haven't had one in quite a while. I don't really know if banana is my shade. I'm very fair. I'm very pale. So like I don't really know if this is gonna be my shade or if it's gonna work for me, but we can totally still try. But I didn't even know that Ofra did setting powders, to be honest. I thought they only did like highlights and lipsticks. But this is really cool. I mean, it's great to have in the box. I'll definitely use it and see what I think. But you guys, all in all, I genuinely think this has been a very strong box. I hope that, I hope that it stays that way and that this is not just like a really good box because you resubscribed, you know what I mean? So full size pricing for those items for you here. The Artist Couture Caliente palette is $30. The Ofra pressed banana powder is $35. The Tarte Man Eater mascara is $23. The MAC lipstick is $19. And the Eloise Beauty liquid foil eyeshadow is $26. So we did get a full retail value of $133 in this box. Not too shabby, not too bad, because I mean the box is only $25. So you definitely get a lot of return with this one. So definitely a big win in my book for this box. I really thoroughly enjoyed the stuff that I got in this one. So you're a winner. All right, now on to the big boy. Opening the big box. Now this is BoxyCharm Premium, so I do believe this one, you get both of them, the base box and the premium box, I believe. So the base box is $25. So I think this is $35. I think it's $10 extra for the premium box. And oh, it's the same one. I would think this is the January box, but like it's the 4th because it has like champagne and stuff here. So I would assume it's the January box. The first thing that I see here is by True and Luscious. I've never heard of this brand before. The Lucky Glow Bronze and Highlight Palette. It looks like this. It is pretty packaging. And then it looks the same. The unicarton is the same. Oh, wow. Look at that. Okay, so this is super duper pretty. I have a feeling that I can probably use this shade right here for bronzer, definitely. This is a really pretty blush color. I love that. This is a really pretty blush color. And then for highlight, I feel like I could probably use this one right here for highlight, but I do like this palette, no complaints over it. I've never heard of this brand before, but I'll definitely give it a shot and try it out and see what I think. Okay, we got some bubble wrap here. And then we've got this, ooh, Elemis. Okay, so these are Elemis Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. I feel like I have gotten a lot of stuff from Elemis in the past, but that's not a bad thing because I think Elemis is a really, really great skincare brand. These are eye masks, and I do love me some eye masks. I don't use them as much as I probably should, but here are what they look like. They're in a cute little unicarton like this, or a cute little container. Oh, it's like this. I thought they were like eye patches. What is this? So you just put this underneath your eyes? Is it a mask? Or is it like a moisturizer? It says, apply a thin layer to eye contour, leave overnight to absorb under or over a layer of makeup. Don't go to sleep with your makeup on. A minimum of 3 times a week. Okay, so they're not eye patches. I thought they were eye patches. So you put this on at nighttime and then just go to sleep with it. And then I'm assuming like wash your face when you wake up in the morning. That's super fun too. I will definitely try this because I have been in need for a new eye cream. I'm currently using a Murad eye cream and I'm almost out of it. And I got it from another boxycharm months ago. So I have really enjoyed that eye cream as well. So I'm glad that I got another one. Next up, oh my God. I see something in here that I'm just like, is that what I think it is? Okay, first up, I got these. If you've watched any of my other boxycharm videos, you know how much I hate getting brushes. I don't know why. I got brushes. Now these are by the brand Crown. It's okay, it's all right. These are eye brushes and they are 100% vegan and cruelty free. I've heard of the brand Crown before and I feel like they're kind of a pricey brand. Ooh, I'm not 100% sure, but these are really pretty actually. I love the white handle and the rose gold. I know there's a word for these. I forget what they're called though. But look how fancy these are, you guys. Look at the bottoms. They're like cut. They're like diagonal. How cool is that? I'm actually not mad at these. They're a good length and they're super duper soft. You have a blending brush right here. That's what I assume it is. You have a bigger kind of blending brush. This one's a little more flat. You have a smudger kind of brush for like eyeliner. And you have a kind of chunky, I guess this is like a pencil brush you could do like your lower lash line with. And then you have a packer brush that you can put a shade all over your lid with this one. I'm actually not mad at these. I know that I say all the time that I hate getting brushes in boxycharms, but you know, these ones actually seem to be pretty nice and I like the design of them. I love the white and rose gold and I love the bottoms. So definitely, I know I've like complained so much about brushes, but these ones are actually, I'm alright with these. I don't hate these at all. I'm just gonna put you back in here. Okay, next up I see this right here. It's in a little, did you know what this, oh, it's cuticle oil. So this is cuticle oil. I could actually, to be honest, use this. I do my nails quite often. So let's see, is it like a rolly ball or is it? It is a rolly ball. So it's a rolly ball cuticle oil and that's actually really nice. I was actually thinking it could have been like a travel size perfume, which I was gonna get really excited about, but it is not. It is a cuticle oil, but you can see, look at that. It's actually really nice and it seems like it would make a lot less mess than like one that has like a pen applicator or a brush applicator. So I don't mind this. I will get use out of this. I know some people won't, but I do my nails a lot. So I do have a use for this. So I'm not mad at it. It's not the best thing I could have gotten, but like, c'est la vie. Okay, next up I have, oh, another mascara. It's called It's So Big. I feel like I've heard this. Is this not the same mascara that was like super big in the 90s? Like they're big, they're so big mascara, you know what I mean? Isn't that in the one that's in like the pink and green tube? I don't know, but this is what it looks like here. It's So Big mascara and ooh, this is a very wet formula. I actually do quite like wet formulas when it comes to mascara. I like this brush as well. It is kind of, it has like a little hourglass shape if you can see that. And I like those because you can really get above and underneath the lashes, like behind them. So I will definitely be trying this out. I love trying new mascaras. It's like one of my favorite things. So I'm not mad. Again, I'm not mad about this. And last in this box is this. I saw this like in the very beginning when I opened this palette and I was like, or when I opened this box and I was like, is that what I think it is? It is. It is a palette. And I don't know what kind of palette it is. We shall see. But Viseart is a fantastic brand. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these are matte eyeshadows. These are all matte eyeshadows, and you could do like a really nice matte look with these. And wow, I'm actually super into this. I'm so excited. I have used a couple of Viseart palettes. Like I have one right here, just kind of like sitting here. This is the Rose Edit palette, and I've had a few other ones in the past, but I've never had one that is just a matte palette. This is really great. Like, I'm genuinely super excited about this, and I feel like if you're someone that likes to use a lot of matte shadows, and if you don't really care about the shimmer, you can get a lot of fantastic looks out of these because they are all warm toned, they're all neutral colors. So I'm jazzed about this. This is like the best thing in this box, in my opinion. Alright you guys, and that was everything that was in the BoxyCharm Premium. I will go ahead and give you some full-size pricing on this as well. So, the Viseart Neutral Mattes eyeshadow palette, that is $80. 80 doll hairs. Wow, okay. And then the Elemis Pro Collagen mask for your eyes is $82. And then the True Plus Luscious Lucky Glow palette is $46. The Lifestyle & Co. cuticle oil, that's $22. And then the 5-piece brush set from Crown is $34.95. And then the Elizabeth Mott mascara is $20. So this box did give me a full retail price of $284.95. So definitely a great price point. Now, and I do believe you only pay like $35 extra for the BoxyCharm Premium. So it definitely, for this box at least, and I just hope and pray that I'm not getting like a good box because I'm like a resubscriber, you know? I don't think that's the case, but anyways, I personally would actually still say I liked the base box better. I know, crazy, right? I don't know what it is. I love that Viseart palette. I really, really do. I just think that the stuff that I got in this base box, I loved even more. Like, I love the Caliente palette. I love this right here, this eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow. I am really excited about this matte lipstick. And the other two, the mascara and the powder, are just kind of like extras. And then the thing that I really, really loved the most in the BoxyCharm Premium was the Viseart eyeshadow palette. And then I actually did not mind those brushes at all, but the cuticle oil and the other mascara just kind of, and I do like the Elemis stuff, of course, but the cuticle oil and the, I don't know, I feel like I have more things in the base BoxyCharm this time that I would actually use more. So I'm gonna give it to the base box this time around for this month because, I don't know, I'm actually really into it. But you guys, that has been the video for today. If you got these two BoxyCharms, I do believe these are for January. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it has like bubbles and champagne and stuff, so I would imagine it's for January, for the new year. But if you did get these boxes, let me know what you did get in yours. Did you get the same stuff that I did, or did you get a different variation? Because I would love to know that. But I hope that you did enjoy the video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!